All right, y'all. What is good, everybody on YouTube? So, yes, it's been a while, but we're not gonna get into that. Y'all here to see this early review on these black cement threes, man. We got the box right here. All I gotta do is just unbox it, unveil it. We gonna get right into it. All right. And of course, in true Nike fashion, they gonna make you struggle in order to get the box open. So let me try on the other side. It's gonna be my last chance at trying to get this right. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. All right, so, yeah. How y'all doing? While I'm trying to pick this up. Yeah, finally. So, yeah. All right, so, now this first pair, cause we got two already. This is my wife pair right here, y'all. So, I didn't already unbox mine, but I'm looking at it and I'm just disappointed. We'll talk about that. But we had an amazing, unexpected release on these right here. So as you can see, the tag gonna say black/fire red, cement gray, 7 wide. That's what my wife wear, y'all. So that's what size she got. She hit on these, I hit on mine. So we gonna take a look at these first. I ain't gonna hold up y'all time. I hope y'all excited though. I hope y'all excited. Cause we had, ooh, I'm jealous. Cause I've already seen my pair and I ain't gonna lie, I'm jealous. I'm jealous. Hers look great. Bruh, fam, I ain't gonna lie. Nah, they ain't gonna give it to me like that, folks. Nah. Her pair is great. I can't wait till she comes home to see this. If you're wondering, that's why I'm in the living room, because I got the place to myself right now. So I figured I might as well occupy a space that's not mine normally. Normally I'd be in the other room. So, but oh my gosh. So this the box. I'm sorry if I'm getting a little off track. Look, Jordan tag, this will come with. When you do open it up, it does talk about the materials used inside of the shoe. I can take a quick look at that, screenshot it, whatever you want. If you're picking these up, you're gonna see it here soon, or you might be watching this late. You might already have them, and you just wanted to see another video about a lot of people's grills. Bro, black cement threes, fuck? Hey, oh my gosh, like I ain't gonna lie, this right shoe looking crazy though. We might have to give us another 7 wide, but this one right here is literally what I would want every single pair to look like. So I'm gonna put this one down and I'm gonna have y'all take a look at this one. Like, if you take a look at the quality, it kind of looks or resembles the last pair that released, the 2019 pair, right? They look great. Outsole still the same, gray outsole, red pod, red Jordan. Bruh, sometimes they do grade school dirty, and then sometimes they be doing them crazy justice. I'm happy for y'all. I'm happy for you. If you were grade school, I'm happy for you. They done did you right this time, but this may not be for all pairs. I've been seeing a lot of pairs out there that's been messed up, so definitely check y'all pairs, man. When I actually show you the men's pair, y'all gonna be like, what happened? And that's exactly the question I was saying. But like the right versus the left, the toe box look kind of wonky. I ain't gonna lie, but they look way better than the size that I have, even though it's not my size. But we're gonna talk about that. But wifey's pair looks great. I'm happy for her. I'm happy for you, babe. I'm so happy for you. Look, I'm exaggerating. We got more pairs to pick up on Saturday. So we gonna see what those look like. Y'all gonna have to stay tuned for that video as well. But before I show you this box, I'm just letting you know now it's bad. Some of y'all don't care about the box, I understand that, but you know, as a collector, you like to have the boxes sometimes. So I would like them really to be in good condition, and most times. Before I knew that I was gonna get other pairs, like this was gonna be my last result, and look at this box, family. You can see it already. Oh my goodness. Look at this, bro. Oh my, let me come on this side. I don't know why I keep doing that to myself with the light, and it's the only light I have in this living room that's gonna make sense. Look at this box, fam. Like, bro, they was really in the warehouse like, nah, I ain't hit. They not getting a perfect box out of me, and that's exactly what happened, bro. That's exactly what happened. Like, it's literally so bent out of shape. Kicked in. Like, somebody had to have just sat on these. But I mean, like, the box already done. So I don't even, that actually landed perfectly on the couch. But that's already done. Same thing there. You're gonna get this card. Cement print paper. But y'all, outside of that, then I get to the shoe on the inside. I'm taking a look at it. I'm just like, nah, y'all ain't gonna give it to me like that. Nah, never. You can't give it to me. Man, look at these, bro. If it's how all the men's pairs look, I'm gonna be upset. But off this one, yeah, nah. They might have to see me, bro. These is $220 plus tax, man. Y'all be wanting to release shoes every other week. Look at this leather. And I'm gonna compare it to the grade school too. I'm gonna run back there again, grab that grade school pair, and I'm gonna compare it to this. Look at this leather. Y'all see a difference? Look how smooth it look. When I feel it, it just feel different too. Now I talked to a homeboy. Like when you crush it, it kind of look the way I want it to, but it don't look like that when it bounced back. I talked to a homie. He said that these was really supposed to look like the original version. These is in a size 11. If you been on the channel, y'all know I wear a size 11 and a half. So, but if I needed to, I was gonna squeeze in these. And just with that thought process and seeing this, I was kind of upset. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But, you know, as you can see, Nike Air on the back, you do get that orange Nike hang tag. Same thing on the bottom here. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, the leather quality was very disappointing. If you picking up any pairs this Saturday, definitely check your pairs, or I don't know. But yeah, like if we gonna compare these, and look how different the leather look. The grade school pair right here is what I want the leather to look like. But yeah, like I said, happy for wifey. This pair look great. I can't hold you. Outside of that, man, black cement threes. Y'all getting it down in the comment section before y'all head up out of here. Y'all let me know, did y'all hit on these? Did you get these early on the shock drop when Nike shock dropped them? Did you have to pick them up Saturday, Sunday, etc.? Did you have to pay resale? I know the holidays coming up. Black Friday's around the corner. It's a lot of people spending money out here. It's a lot of things being sold. So let me know if this was something that you had to have this year. Because there was a lot of shoes that came out this year. We talked about them. You know, we still got, you know, the Fear Force came out last weekend. I passed on them personally. I do like those, but I just feel like the way how they was sitting, I need them for a cheaper price. So when they hit that 160, 180 mark, I might just grab them. I've heard people talking about a shock drop for the Columbia 11s. In January, we're gonna get Black Cat 3s. I ain't gonna lie, it's looking real good for a sneakerhead right now. It's looking real good for a sneakerhead right now. Shoes are sitting. You love to see it. That means you could just walk into the store and then get them. You ain't got to stress over about it, because boy, 2 years ago, 2022, 2021, we be stressing. And then you be mad you don't hit, you gotta pay resale. Resellers be taxing, busting your head wide open. You know what I'm saying? So it's just good to know you can just walk into a store for now. But these, you ain't gonna be able to do that. I ain't gonna hold you. You ain't gonna be able to do that with these. Maybe the grade school pairs. Maybe the grade school. Grade school be sitting for real. So if you grade school, you could get anything for real. But mans, these not gonna sit. Don't expect them to. Do your due diligence if you watching this early. Man, it's your boy Moody. And I'm checking out Black Cement 3s. We done waited all this time. 5 years to be exact. And we got them, baby. So I'm gonna get up out of here. Drop down in the comment section what you thankful for. Thanksgiving's right around the corner. And yeah, happy holidays, everyone. I'm gonna get on out of here, get this video edited. Feels good to be back. Not gonna rant about why it's been so long I've been gone, but feels good to be back. All right, peace. I'm out.